Hey guys, I'm back and today we're going to be making slime. So I'm very excited, and if you guys watched my other video of me making slime, I made it out of soap, but this time I'm going to be making it out of actual glue because I actually bought activators, so yeah. So I got my white glue right here. And my activator. You guys can buy it at Walmart or something, because I bought mine at Walmart. And I also bought this clear slime. And I'm gonna be opening it. I'm opening it to see what kind of texture it is. Wait. I'm so excited. Just heard footsteps in the hallway. Look how clear it is. Okay, I'm gonna take it out. Wait, let's see how long I can stretch it. Wait. Okay, that's pretty long. Wait. Look how long this is going. What the heck? This keeps on going. Okay. Well, we can say that it is very stretchy. But look at that. Oh, it's kind of sticky too. Okay, yeah, it's stretchy, but it's also like rubber. Like, I can barely play with it. Maybe I'll add more water. Okay, and I also, wait, maybe I'll put it right. Put my camera a little bit on. Okay. Okay, now, okay guys, but don't judge. That's my dad right there, you guys just saw. But don't judge, okay guys, that's so weird. Okay. Sister. Wow. Can't do it. Now, I got my bowl. My glue and activator. Okay, my glue and activator. Now, I'm going to be pouring my glue inside the bowl. Guys, I have experienced this before, so I know what I'm doing. Got my spoon. I usually do on the table, but this time I'm doing it on a plate. Get in there. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna be using. It's almost done. Okay, so this is how much I got. Whoa.
What are you doing?
Making slime. How do I open this? Hey! There's a lot. You guys can share. Wait, let me get a pen and poke a hole in this. Okay, I couldn't find a pen, so I just got it a pencil. There.
Whoa.
Okay, let's put it here. Wait, first, I'm gonna mix it. Guys, like, did anyone tell you, like, I'm an expert at making slime? Totally. Okay, now I'm gonna be putting activator. Okay, ready? Wait, I don't want it to be too overactivated. And I'm not gonna let my siblings play with it because if you guys watched in my Christmas video, if you guys watched in my Christmas video, I got it a slime squishmallow kit, and my siblings, aka them, Ranger, you can hear it. There. Okay, and they mixed all my slime together and it made an ugly color, and then they just threw in the trash because they left it on the floor.
Oh!
And it dried up.
Oh!
What the heck? And now here I am making slime. I still have the containers, but they obviously lost it. Okay, let's put it in. Wait, let me get a spoon. My spoon. And I'm gonna put activator in that because whatever, I don't even care. Bruh, I done poked it all the way through. I'm pretty sure I have a pen up here somewhere. Let me just look. Here you go. Pen right here. Let me just place this. Is it poked? Okay. This is my mom's pen, by the way. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough. Guys, what should I color it? I think I need more activator.
More
activator. More activator. Okay, I think that's enough. Oh yeah, I forgot to buy glue at the store, so I just looked for glue in my house. Oh my gosh. I know my friends out there, they look at me, they be looking at me like, oh my gosh, I want to make slime too. Yeah, I see you guys. I'm talking to my friends. And yes, they watch my YouTube channel. Okay, it's not ready yet. Oh yeah, and I'm probably gonna color my slime with soap. Cause I literally got no food dye at home, so I got no paint, and I got no mark. I brought my markers from school to home, whatever. But I'm not gonna use them because I don't want to. I think, guys, does this look good to you? My activator. Guys, how much activator do you even need for this small little slime here? Keep mixing. Keep mixing. But I can't even lift it up. Okay, there. We still got a lot of glue in there. So, okay. Yeah, I think it's ready now. I think I should start playing with it with my hand. Wait, let me just mix it a little bit. I got more activator, just in case if I need it. And I got my siblings to help me. This one on the bed. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now. Baby! No! This girl put the slime in her hair. Look, it's in her hair. Oh my gosh. Okay. That was a lot of work. I finally got the slime out of her hair. Look, I got the slime out of her hair now. We didn't cut it off. Trust me. I didn't cut it off. I used warm water. I didn't use like very hot water. I just used warm water, kind of hot, so it wouldn't really burn her. But yeah, I got it out, thankfully. Okay, we definitely need more activator. Look how sticky that is. Ooh. Okay, we just need like. It splashed on me. Oh well, I don't care. Oh my gosh, it's still kind of sticky though. Roger, split it. And hopefully that girl learned her lesson to not put slime in her hair. Like, she's probably just doing that for attention. Or she's 2 years old. She's been playing with slime, like ever since she was 1. Like 1.5. Okay. So the slime is turning out pretty good now. But I still got a lot, so let's just... Oh. Inside the plate is like very sticky. Like... Oh my gosh. Look how sticky that is. Oh my gosh. Yeah. This is like a paper, like a plastic, whatever you guys call those. Plastic plate, whatever. I don't care. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so good, but low-key feels like rubber, so you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add more glue. Just gotta wait for that. Oh my gosh. I think that should be enough. Yeah. Maybe, like, I'll buy more glue soon. Wow. Yeah, this is the texture I like. I like it, like, sticky, not too sticky. And I don't like it rubbery. Not at all. My slime kit, it wasn't even that rubbery. It was like a perfect slime texture like this. Oh my gosh. We still got more glue. So, and I still got more, like a lot of activators, so just a little. We don't need that much. If I put too much, then you know how much I'm gonna put. And guys, gotta keep watching because I'm also gonna dye my slime. And yeah, guys, what color should I dye it? Oh yeah, right. I'm gonna dye it with soap. I think I'm gonna dye it like I don't know. I'm gonna be checking what kind of soap I have, and I hope it's a good idea putting soap in my slime because I've done it before. So yeah, I'm gonna go check in the bathroom and see what kind of soap I have in there. Okay, guys, I know a perfect color. It's called Old Spice. It's not mine, but I found it in the bathroom and it's blue. So I'm gonna color it blue. So let's do it. I don't want to add too much because I want like a light blue. Just, that's too much. Roger. I think that's enough. I'm gonna just put the spoon in here just in case if I want to dye it more. More blue. It smells like soap. Of course. It's kind of turning blue. It looks green on camera. It does look green. What the heck? Oh well. It smells pretty good. I do have a scent that I want it. Well, I think I want it a little bit more blue. Some of this. I'm gonna put all of this in there. All clean. Okay. Wow. Guys, this is totally not waste of soap. Because it's for my slime.
Wow.
And maybe I'll dye my clear one and make it just like the texture like this. Oh, the slime is pretty soft now. Even though I don't even have shaving cream, which is a bummer.
Ma, is this?
Okay, wait. And yes, the baby is playing with the slime again, and hopefully she learns her lesson to not put slime in her. Let the baby do it. Guys, I'm not favoritism. Not favoring. I just don't want the baby screaming. Okay. That's way too much. That's a lot. I'm gonna take some out. And yes, I'm gonna throw the plate in the trash because there's no way I'm reusing that. Why would we reuse it anyway? What the heck? Okay. Whoa. Look. Oh, it's turning sticky now, which is very great. It's actually very soft.
Ma, is this?
Oh. It's a lot of that.
Ma.
Haven't you heard of the internet? This girl wants more.
Ma.
Guys, don't worry. We got like a lot of these. A lot of this. Actually. So, yeah, but I'm not going to use all of it. Like, what do you think I am? Okay. I think I would want it more blue. Okay, I'm going to keep mixing and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, guys, I am done with it. It's like very soft. Not that soft, but like very good texture. And this is what I always do to my slime because I literally saw it like on YouTube, like one of those life hacks to make your slime more fluffier. And ever since I saw it, I always done it. So you just gotta put your slime in the middle. Wait, just put your slime in the middle. Then you take like a piece and then you just... Guys, trust me, it actually works. Not even kidding. Like, the more you do it, the more fluffier it gets. And it just becomes very fluffy. Like, very fluffy. Then, after you're done, like, when you're done with it, just... Then, wait. Hear this. But, lower your volume. I'm doing ASMR. Okay, ready? Okay, well, yeah. And that's it for this video, and thanks for watching and subscribe.